Who's there? What's going on, YouTube? I just got back from a long day. Me and my friends Brennan and Kelly went to an abandoned restaurant that is also a train car and had a nice Coca-Cola dinner because we are both huge Coke fans. Specifically, we reviewed New Coke, which was originally released in the 80s. No one liked it, but it was recently brought back in the summer of 2019 for Stranger Things. It was actually pretty appropriate that we decided to do the taste test there because it looks like the Upside Down in a lot of ways. It was pretty creepy. It was pretty fun. Was it fun? Was there a point to this? Anyway, I feel terrible. Brennan feels terrible. It was a rough day, but I think we did some highly scientific work. Hope you like it. What's up, YouTube? We're going... What are we doing? We're going...
Cavities.
Yeah, we're going to get cavities. No, we're going to drink soda inside an abandoned train. Because this is my second vlog and I already ran out of ideas.
Yeah. I do have a dentist appointment in one.
Do you?
Yes. It'll definitely be the first time in a very long time.
I don't know. What was that furry shit?
You saw that shit?
Where the fuck is this thing?
Midgar? Are we in Midgar? Are we in Midgar yet? It's right here on the road?
Oh no, that's a condom. Would it be cooler if it was a condom?
Hell yeah.
Instead of a KFC wet nose?
And it was flavored like a biscuit.
Oh. Ah! I stepped in a freaking dog bowl of water.
We gotta take the ones reserved at the farm. It's like it's already... Dude, that
one's already got a bottle top to it.
I can't believe all this bullshit's even still here. Like, the fucking flowers and shit. Like, why?
It's not like it's in the middle of nowhere.
Fucking right next to the road.
Hey, those Yif people are here.
Yif in hell.
There's some furries out there watching us.
Right.
Anyway, should we eat in the dining room or should we eat in the sleaze room? Before we do the new Coke taste test, we're gonna explore this building, so I'm gonna hide the sodas. Hi.
I kind of can't believe this place isn't more trash or fucked up.
I mean... Alright, let's go find Kelly.
Kelly! Kelly! Kelly!
It's just these, like, creepy private rooms. Like, what went down in here?
Yeah. It's just us, dude.
Yeah, this is like where you would have your job interview.
Yeah. Yeah, and then get fucked by the river instead.
It's nice though.
Oh, hell yeah. This is great.
I don't know why. I like the atmosphere of this place. I don't know why it shut down.
Dude, it's so cool. Probably was never nice, but I bet it was like cozy.
What?
Jesus. Brendan!
What?
Brendan, don't!
That was heavy. That wall's too shitty.
Are there bees in here?
Fuck out of here.
Maybe not everyone is just into breaking shit for no reason. It's just rude. It's rude to do that kind of stuff. We have to review Coke here. We're vlogging. Ow. Flower bomb. Is this a Panasonic?
A Panasonic? Is it a Panasonic?
Oh, it's a Sharp.
It's a sword. Whole stack. It'll take the whole stack out.
Okay. You missed.
Alright, got another chance.
Why are you getting so squirrely?
That's alright, we can get another one. We get another shot, let's go. If the object was to miss, then I guess I missed it.
I have more like a cat mentality. What do you guys? Whoa. That's creepy. All right, Brennan, go on the stage and practice your kickflip. Do your Fortnite dance.
Yeah, I wish I could. I can't. They're like the raver kids. They're like
Jesus.
But all the kids that do it are so fluid with it. They do it so effortlessly. They're like,
What can I do on the stage? What can I perform?
why don't you just fucking flip a fucking table, man?
Brendan, stop.
You don't just want to flip a table?
No, because this place is haunted and we're clearly gonna be cursed.
What?
Kelly, you go on the stage and do for TikTok dance.
Did anyone bring a gun? You have red on them. You're red on.
Doesn't she look exactly like Laura Palmer? Oh wait, here. I know what we can do.
Really hates what's happening here.
What? Who hates it?
I said I really hate what's happening right now.
Oh, you guys don't know Twin Peaks?
No, that shit's corny.
Oh. That's all I got. Wait, no. Let's rock.
Is that a Borat impression? Is that Borat?
I love Borat.
You love Borat.
My wife.
My wife. My wife.
Give me back the Jelly Pro.
Pamela. Thirsty.
There's an iPad.
I don't think we're breathing in anything bad here. The floor's cool. Jesus. Oh, God. Cool. Really cool. Oh, we could do ASMR videos.
Might get too warm.
Fuck.
What was in there?
Just some cigarettes. Hi.
Just say that.
The Coke can.
Huh? Is it cocaine? Oh,
Yeah.
hi.
What's going on, YouTube? It's very hot in here. I'm getting slimy. I think it's time to have a nice, refreshing soda. Kelly, are you okay? This video's gonna suck.
Yeah. You called your asshole.
Wait, people. Ugh. This is where the interviews happened. Yeah, this is disgusting.
Like, why would there have been a bed like this at a business like this? Or, like, what was this? Ew,
This is where the-
honestly, like, you should get off that.
Is this the thing Darth Vader goes in?
You actually look like one of those the Death Star dudes that go, "Ooh." You look like one of those more.
Jesus. No, I broke it.
I don't think you broke it good enough.
Oh my God.
A lot of time progressed, man.
I guess so. I don't want to take the garbage out, Mom. Ugh.
Behave yourself, Kyle.
I don't want to go to Grandma's funeral. Fuck. I'm not strong enough to be Kyle. Ugh. There we go. I had to really think about how much my dad pissed me off.
Clean the place up.
Hey, I'm
I
working.
can't even see you ever. It's just a giant light.
I'm a vlogger now. Just accept it.
What?
What?
Big bang.
No. It's not scary.
Oh.
It looked.
That just took us in a complete circle. If we go that way.
We don't want to go that way. Let's go back that way.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, we can go this way, and we don't have to walk through spider webs.
You will soon.
Wait. Oh, fuck!
You will by next.
I walked into the death room. Don't lock me in.
Guys, just let me unlock the door. Guys, I won't.
Brendan, let me out!
How do we get out of here? Kelly! Alright, go grab the sodas, please. Brendan?
That big bulge.
Does this thing work? It does. I wish I could play something. Actually, if you play this a couple times, you get a restore material. Yeah, they're all shook up. They're all shook the fuck. Look at this.
Brendan's mad at me.
You messed up the Diet Coke, too. God damn it.
Brendan's mad at me because I tried to move our table and they all fell on the dirty ground and now they're all filthy.
Yeah.
Who's out there?
Oh.
We got Brendan working on my thumbnail.
It was.
Are we videotaping?
Are we videoing? Are we videoing? Are we? Don't spill them like you did and get them all shook up.
I'm sorry. Your sodas, sir.
Look at all the mud.
It's fine.
Causing all this mud.
Here you go. Enjoy. Before we even taste these, I'm just gonna say.
That I'm a fat piece of shit.
Ah! Sorry.
You should be. God, we're gonna get so many cavities.
I know. This is a little excessive.
This is really excessive.
Kelly, you want a soda? You don't want any soda? I'm already disappointed in the price of it.
What do you expect?
A 6-pack, at least for $20. Not
That
two.
is honestly a lot of money, though. That's a lot.
Thank you, Kelly.
Let me find another ground oily.
Look at all those bugs right there that are all around that window. Look at how gross that is.
Oh no. We can't eat in here? I guess we're not eating, we're just drinking soda. I can drink soda wherever.
Oh, he brought my favorite water, Ice Canyon.
And it's covered in dirt.
Hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Hey, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube. We're reviewing the new Coke. Oh my god.
So we're gonna. Is it time? You wanna?
Yeah. I wanted to try this forever.
Me too.
It sucks.
I'm still.
It's so bad.
It tastes the fucking same.
No, it doesn't. There's no Coke flavor
Shut up.
to it.
Yeah, it literally tastes like a worse version of.
It
Coke.
tastes like when
It doesn't have the like bite that it has.
it tastes like when it tastes like when you when the soda machine at McDonald's is broken and it's putting out too much seltzer compared to the amount of syrup.
They should just call it shitty Coke.
Or like if you ever drink an expired one.
I never buy expired
If you
food
don't-
products ever.
So just take here. Let's drink some water. Let's take a break.
I'm fucking.
Try it after cleaning your palate a little bit.
I don't even want it.
It tastes like Coke. But then try this one. Try the real shit. It's so much better.
It's the same but worse.
If you don't
It's
have them
nothing
side by
different.
if you don't have them side by side.
No, someone could hand you that and you would think it's Coke, but you'd be like, oh, it's not that.
Yeah, it was like a bad day at the factory.
Yeah, a bad batch. I'm pissed. It's not this. All these years, you're just gonna go worse. Give me some of this shit. I actually haven't had this bullshit in a while since I got fired from the fucking last job, and our stupid boss would drink this shit all day.
Stop getting fired from places.
I can't wait to get fired again. I tried to get kicked out of our party the other night, and it couldn't.
Is this true?
Try to get bullied.
Did I not get kind of drunk? I got pretty damn drunk for once. For once in my stupid life. This is fucking terrible. I think this is, honestly, New Coke is worse than this, though, but this stuff is just terrible, too.
Coke Zero?
Yeah.
I don't hate it. I think it's fine.
Listen, I'm sure on a scientific level, wow, you guys are amazing for fucking making this a 0-calorie version, but it's still trash. I would never buy it. Ah, there's A bee.
If I get stung, I'm quit being a YouTuber.
I'm quit being a YouTuber.
My stomach hurts.
It is honestly like
I shouldn't eat all those Twizzlers before this.
I want the real shit. Give me a bottle. Yeah, we need a bottle opener. Come on. I thought you were buff.
Ow! It hurts.
Give me it.
No! Get away.
Come on. Do it. Oh my god.
Ow! There we go. And this is
Finally something good.
Ah!
Not again. It's
This
not.
is-
It's regular. It has.
This is Echo in Mexico, so it has carbonated water,
This
cane
is the
sugar.
good shit.
No high fructose corn syrup.
This is the good shit, which we know is bomb.
It doesn't taste good.
Wow, you're right, kind of. Like, honestly, this big pounder can tastes way better.
Why is that?
Take a sip of the fucking regular stuff again. That shit is in the can. It's so much better.
Why is that so
What is
bad?
wrong with this? Yeah, this isn't good either.
Alright, what the fuck is going on here? This is just regular Coke from a bottle.
Man,
Look at my hands, they're shaking.
I know, because these are really unexpected results. There's just a giant bee that's just circling right here.
Here, drink this.
Right.
This is just regular Coke from a bottle.
It's so good. I think it's almost as good as the pounder, but the fucking pounder's taken it so far. Which I would not have expected.
Alright. There's nothing better than just Coke from a can.
The Coke from the can is definitely, like, again, I can't believe how shitty this is. I swear this is warmer. And how's that possible? It's in a fucking glass bottle. It's been in a plastic hefty for hours.
I don't know.
Staying very ice cold in it.
The hefty.
I mean, it's gonna be hefty as the fucking dentist bill by the time we're fucking done here.
Why do I even have to open this? Man.
What's missing? Oh, I have one too. Here, wait, let me open my Diet Coke. I'll at least go to cherry, which is a little bit better.
Diet Coke is really bad.
Wait, let me try yours. I threw mine.
I drink a lot of Diet Coke.
Holy fuck, that is...
It sucks.
It's almost as bad as New Coke.
Coke Zero is better.
Coke Zero is a lot better, straight up.
Coke Zero is really sweet for not having any sugar in it. It definitely gives you cancer.
Oh my god.
That's like
it honestly is really...
It has to. It's
Where's
so
the-
crazy tasting.
What is this? Yo, Diet Coke is... I can't believe people want this. The bottled shit is not good today. It's not hitting. The
Yeah.
shit is not Refresco. God damn it. It's really not.
Honestly, the new Coke is better.
Oh,
than the bottled
it's
shit.
been a while since I had New Coke. I swear that if we had caffeine free, it would taste just like this.
Yeah, so my original idea for this video was to compare new Coke to old Coke. And by old Coke, I mean getting some cocaine and sprinkling it in here and drinking it. And I'm kind of disappointed that we didn't do it. Well, it's against YouTube's guidelines, but who cares? I mean, I really don't want to get demonetized. YouTube, please don't demonetize me.
I have been also neglecting this cherry Coke. Do we still have the vanilla family yet?
I feel so bad.
It is gnarly. And I like this shit. But the cherry is alright, I think. Like, it's really, really sharp. It's as sharp
Let me
as...
try it.
It's as sharp as the shit in the can, which we have decided is the best so far, is...
Oh my god.
I think I need some water. I can feel the fucking pimples forming as we speak.
Orange vanilla.
It's alright. It's kind of too much.
Yeah, you said you liked it.
And you
You're
know
wrong.
what? The more I've drank it, the more I don't like it. Like, I bought a 12-pack, and then by the end, I'm like, I'm fucking good. Before, I used to think it was more vanilla than orange. This is definitely very orange now that we've had all this bullshit running through our veins.
I'm good.
Look at all this Coke everywhere. This is seriously disgusting, Max. And I really like this stuff too. This is pretty gnarly. Oh, God.
Doing someone.
This whole section's gonna get edited out. Here's the real fucking. Here's the real fucking.
There's more cups.
Here's the real tea.
The real fucking gauntlet here is between the bottle and the fucking can. They're the two best.
The can just hits better.
God, the can is hitting. The can is really hitting.
I'm gonna keep the can. I like the way it looks. This, like, the fat logo is very cool, and they don't really use it ever.
No, it's cool. Well, that logo's dummy thick. You don't see the dummy thick variant.
This one's jiggly wiggly.
I need water. I need some fucking water, dude. I just think I think one of my arteries just closed.
Thing? I thought you were having heart attack.
No, this must be. Sorry, there was like glass in my hand. I wonder why.
But the conspiracy theory that isn't listed on Wikipedia was that they made the change in the formula because
Should have been up here.
it was cheaper to manufacture this, and it was saving them.
Yeah.
By doing this, it
They're
saved them
saving
like
money.
millions of dollars
Oh.
because it's a lot cheaper.
Yeah, well,
But they blew
it
it.
fucking tastes cheaper. The shit is
It
terrible.
does taste
It really
really
tastes
bad.
like they put like half of their ass into it.
I can't do a more succinct summary of what it tastes like.
It's really shitty. I thought it was gonna be very much more different. I don't know what the fuck I thought, but this is not it. And I'm pissed. I'm fucking pissed about it. Sick of it. I'm sick of this Coke, period.
Not me.
Not you, not the can,
This one
though.
is so good.
It honestly is. It really, I couldn't agree anymore.
I think you should put it.
Good call.
Okay.
I'm
All
okay
right.
with that.
There's definitely broken glass on the table. All over it.
It's all over the.
And now
It's
in my
all
pinky.
the fuck over.
All right.
Look at that right there.
So let's rank these. Let's rank these one through whatever.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of
It's
10.
obviously the best.
Yep.
This is good, but it's not as good as this.
Again, I agree.
After
I'm
that,
gonna say cherry. Yeah, I'm going cherry after that.
it would be better from a can though.
I'm going zero sugar. This might have also made a believer out of. I don't know. This is actually pretty good. It's kind of scary. What do you think is in it otherwise? Probably stem cells.
Fuck.
Vanilla Coke. God, it's so heavy right now.
It's too much.
It's so heavy.
It's too much, but on a good day, that would be okay.
What's left? Oh, I mean,
God, I think
the
honestly,
thing is, here's the deal. What's gonna be worse, Diet Coke or New Coke? That's the real question here. Because Jesus fucking Christ, these are the bits.
New Coke is better than Diet.
Hang on.
You just puke in your mouth. Where's my Diet Coke?
You threw it.
There's your Gatorade. but
Oh,
leave
yeah,
that-
he
I gotta
smashed it.
believe-
I forgot.
Here we go. The final showdown. What is the most shit of the two?
I drank all my New Coke. Can I try the Diet Coke again?
Now try this afterwards. It almost tastes like no different because it's just as awful. The zero sugar is truly really good.
This gotta go. This gotta be at the end.
Diet Coke
I will say I like all the kooky flavors of Diet Coke.
that are not present.
Yeah, there's too many.
Oh, yeah.
I couldn't find them.
Let's focus on what we have. And what
But
we
they
don't.
are good. Zesty cherry or something? Diet Coke? It's really strong ginger in it.
Well, we're gonna have really strong gingivitis by the time we're fucking done with this. Fucking good ones. That shit's gross.
Alright. I mean, this is at least better than Diet Coke.
Oh, well, duh. I mean, look at how far down the bar is at this
But
point.
this is really
But it's
bad.
bad. This is the real upset here is how shitty this is. At least right now. I don't know what the deal is.
Yeah, I don't know.
Why-
Maybe it's a bad batch.
I honestly never thought I'd want water so bad in my fucking life. You know, the real winner here is Ice Canyon fucking water, dude. Ice Canyon.
I don't really like water.
I don't either. Who does? It's so good.
This is better than
I'm so
water.
bummed that's the last. Is that really the last of the canned Coke we have? The regular? I drank mine, I think.
You finished yours? It was a pounder.
Yeah, well.
I think you threw
I
it.
also went through it.
I just tasted your whole burp.
Sorry.
Here it is, our final ranking. Can's the best, bottle, whatever. New Coke.
I think the real findings here is that the Mexican Coke was not hitting at all and sucked. Fucking New Coke is trash and deserves to rest in piss like it was previously. Vanilla Coke's a little too harsh. You're just not gonna beat the fucking Coke
In a
Coke
can.
in a can.
And
Really
not
might
even
be
this
it.
big. I'm even gonna say, in my old age, and especially how I feel right now, you should be buying it in mini cans because you can't drink this stuff, this much soda. It sucks.
Well, my gums have eroded like half an inch.
I'm still drinking it. It's good.
I actually want more myself.
Yeah.
It's definitely the best.
Do you see this? Ah, fuck! It ripped.
What the fuck is that?
Hang on. Catch the wave.
What is this shit? Is this like National Treasure?
You get like a Bonnaroo bracelet.
Well, does that give it a better ranking then in your book? Well, I don't.
No, it's fun. It has little hot dogs on it and stuff.
Yo, we gotta go get hot dogs at that place down
Yes,
there
we
next.
do.
So,
Do this.
oh my
I can
god,
feel it.
It is It honestly is
Your-
gnarly. What? What?
Your teeth just look orange.
We didn't even drink this one because it sucks.
Fuck
so
it.
bad.
I hate you. What a
All of them.
what a dumb fucking idea.
Yeah. But New Coke sucks. For real. I can't believe how bad it is. Or, like, I can't believe they would call it like it's something different. It's just a bad version of what already was.
There's already Coke here. Look at my hand shaking. This restaurant is really cool.
Yeah, it must have been really cool what I just said.
Yeah, you get to watch the creek.
Fucking threw the whole chair into the hole.
Don't do it.
Okay.
Don't,
It's really
Brendan.
nice in here. I don't want to.
Brendan, don't. Jesus. Oh my God. Where's my hefty?
It's in there.
Why'd you break it?
Everywhere we go, you have to make a fucking mess, Kelly.
Very dehydrated. I only had a few sips. So I think you're both gonna shrivel up into raisins pretty soon.
Oh, I'm shriveled. Ah. Neat.
This is the angle. Now all you idiots are in the way.
Oh. All right.
Whoa. Whoa.
IGGY.
I feel like I'm gonna fucking fall over.
Nothing better
I
than
didn't take my
drinking all that soda and sitting in the sun.
Oh.
Can I get one hot dog and a birch float? Can I also get a Coke?
Do you want a vanilla ice cream?
Yeah.
Got it.
Fucking liar said it was a whole pickle. The sign.
Drink your Coke.
This looks so unappetizing.
No, it's super good. I think this is closer to the diet, personally. Tastes like diet. Maybe even diet caffeine free.
It doesn't taste like real Coke.
No. If we had the lineup here, that shit would be.
This would be thrown in the piss corner if we had the...
I would fucking throw it right against
No.
the fucking wall right now.
This is good and unnecessary.
Isn't that mostly what life is? Kind of good, but unnecessary.
What up? You guys shut up, I'm trying to vlog. Thanks for watching. Comment, is there a hot dog emoji?
Yeah, for sure.
Comment a hot dog emoji. Wait, or is there a soda emoji?
Both. There's a cup. You're alright. You okay?
Can you drive home?
Diabetic shock.
Bending at home.
Just walked in on a guy in the bathroom. Never try the new Coke. It's not good. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.